welcome back to another video. It is Xtreme Gamer here. Today I'm playing Animal Jam today, but before I start my video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to watch more of my videos. And if you enjoy my videos, guys, smash the like button. Just smash the heck out of it if you enjoy my videos. And don't forget to hit the bell notification. It will let you know that I will be posting videos every single day. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Then let's play Animal Jam. So here is my wolf character, as you can see. And today, hello giraffes, hello. Ooh, can I say hey? Can they answer me? Look, hi. I used to have like friends online, like I showed you my playlist. Like these used to be my friends, but I think they don't play anymore. I think so. I don't know. Oh my gosh, there's a cheetah. Alright, so today I'm gonna be playing some games in here for today. I'm gonna check out Ooh, I haven't played these for so long. You can even play it with a friend, I think, but I'm gonna see. Oh. Okay, so I think basically people have to join you. So did I spell join wrong? Oh my. Yep, I spelled it wrong. Join me! Click! Okay. Oh, I could just use my keyboard. I don't use my mouse. So I guess basically I have to let people join with me. If not, that I may just probably play games in the games room. I really don't know. Play with me. Hello, fish puppy. Join with me. If not, maybe I'll have to play these games. Maybe if nobody's gonna join. Bowling. I can't move. There we go. Who wants to join with me? Sally member DP 420. Oh. Hey, I have that. I have this horse, and it's like Fluttershy. Join with me, please. Join with me. Come with me, and you'll play the nice bowling with me. That sounded wrong. Wow. Shop my den. No. People, click me. Oh, we got Lily Teapad. That's cute. Oh, it's a little fox. Cute. Nobody's gonna join me? Well, that's sad. Okay, well, I guess I'll play some different games. Meow. Okay, so I guess I'll play this instead. Sure. Let's just do that. Okay, what did I have to do? Do I have to click? That there's my horsey. Waiting for other horses. Oh. Click anywhere to jump. Wee. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Oh, yeah. Oh, what the heck is this? This is a big eyeball. Okay. How do you... I forget... Oh. That's how I... Hey! Oh, God. Oh, come on. No! No! Me! I'm losing! I'm losing here! No! Jump! Hiya! So many jumps! I can't... My carrots are just not coming. Ugh. No! Go! 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 Wait! We're jumping together. I think this one won. Yeah, this one won. First dancer. Okay, where am I? I don't know. I think I'm like... Oh, horses have 3 nature... Whatever that says. Or walking. Oh, we're doing this again? Oh. Okay. I guess we'll do this again. Set. Oh my god. Go. My mama. any more carrots. Eh. No! No! You, come on, girl. Come on, girl. That guy just flew. I was supposed to win. I can't do the carrots at the same time. This guy's gonna win. I hate you. I hate you. I think I'm in second. Yeah, I'm in second. That's not bad. How do you gain these carrots again? All right, well, yes, I'm gonna be leaving. That was a hard game to do. Oh, I got a little trophy. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna try another game. We're gonna try. Oh, you have to bring a pet duck with. Oh. 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 Okay. Where is my? Oh, pets. I haven't played this for so long. So, do I have a duck? Do I? These are all my pets, guys, as you can see here. Yeah. Do I not have a duck? There's a queen scorpion. There's a spider. Great. And I got a poodle. Do I have a duck? No, I don't got a duck. Can I get a duck? That's just Lauren's side. Is there a duck? I gotta see. I gotta go up to the top. Oh, that's new. What is that? It's like a bug. Dog. Aw, little raccoon, cute. Says I need a duck though. There's a hippo. What about a hippo? I don't know. I'm gonna say if there is a duck. Oh, it's a polar bear. He's so cute. Come on. Come on, people. Is there not even a duck? There's a puppy. Oh, duck. What's wrong with the eyes? Can I? Okay, here we go. I want it like that. Brown beak. I need to fix the eyes. Aw, it's a girl. Did you have accessories? Oh no, I like what she's got here. Next. Say autumn. Autumn. Oh my gosh. Berry. Autumn berry. Okay. Adopt. Yay! I adopted a duck. Okay. Now can I play? Yay! Oh. Mm. Eh, eh, eh. Oh, what do I do? Wee. Ah! 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 No! Okay, okay. Go. What the? Are you? Ow! I can't. No! Ducky, no! How do you do this? This is not hard. This is so hard. Okay, go. 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 Ow! This stupid frog. Where do I go? Okay. What the? Go. Go, go, go. Come on. I can't really see very well. Go. Oh my. No, no, no. No, no, no. Go. 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 Come on, duck. We gotta win this. Go. We gotta. Oh, yes. Go this way. Go this way. Okay. 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 Go. Oh my gosh. Get it, duck. Get it. Oh. Go. No, the frogs are just like hopping on me. Okay. Did I make it? No, we're not there yet. I have to get away from the waterfall. That's what I have to do. Oh, come on. No. Okay, we're good. Go. Oh, good me. Good, 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 good. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, oh, snap. Oh, snap. No. Come on, little ducky. Okay, good. Go. Go. Oh. Go! Get back! No! No! I didn't make it. I did. Oh my god. That is so hard. Hey, I got a duck and cover. Okay. My heart was racing. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this for today. I hope you enjoyed this video much as I do. If you ever want to play Animal Jam with me, you can always play with me. There's my username if you like. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.